Alright, this is going to be part 12 on the RX8 Dorito build. I just need to put the bumper back together. That's all this is going to be. I painted it this morning, / part 11. And I stuck it out in the sun for a little bit, so it's been out there baking. It's hardened up. Yeah, it's beautiful. Good color match too. It looks really good. PPG paint is just amazing. So yeah, let's put a bumper back together. So quick bumper rebuild for an RX8 R3 front bumper. Jeez, that's a mouthful. So it turned out nice. You probably saw in the video. I don't know, I've been speeding them all up lately, so you probably didn't get a good look at it. So here's how it turned out. I did replace that cracked fog light. It looks pretty nice. The clear coat's all leveled off, and yeah, I put a fast hardener in it too, so it's starting to harden up pretty good. It always looks so much nicer after it's hardened up. So yeah, badge, Mazda. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's probably going to be the end of Project Dorito. I mean, I don't really, not sure what else I would record for the YouTube for you guys to see, really, other than maybe putting the front bumper on. At least that way you could get a look at what the car ends up looking like, you know, when it's completed and completely done. So maybe I'll do that. Or if you want to see, you can hit that Instagram link that's somewhere on the YouTube. If you look at the channel page, I think it's in the top right corner. There should be a Instagram icon. Yeah, just hit that, and there'll be pictures of it up there, you know, completed long before this video comes out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. End of Project Dorito. Thanks for watching.